Hey guys, what's going on? Hey, we recently bought a Nintendo Switch controller and it wasn't working. It was brand new out of the box. So I'm just gonna show you a little hack we learned and show you how to reconfigure or reboot the Nintendo Switch so that the USB port can work on the controller, and hopefully it'll fix your problem. It did for us, so check it out.
Hey guys, this remote doesn't work and it's a brand new remote. You can see it's on. I'm gonna move it around and see it's not gonna work. So we're gonna go back to the home and we're gonna hold the power button for like 15 or 20 seconds. Options. Turn off.
Take it off of the thing.
We're gonna take it out. Now we're 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And 15 seconds. I don't worry about that. It's gonna turn back on.
Try your remote now.
So we're gonna try the remote.
Is it working?
Yeah, it's working. It's working.
And there you go. That's how you do it.
Yep, that's all you have to do.
So what were the steps again?
Okay, first you go to the settings. Go all the way down where it says controller sensors. It's gonna say Pro Controller Wired
Communication.
Communication on. Then you're gonna go back to the home. Hold it for 15 seconds. Then you're gonna turn it off. You're gonna go to the menu, power options, turn off, take it out, and wait for 15 seconds again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So when you do that, you put it back, turn it on. And it's gonna work. Then it's gonna just be until it turns on. So see, you can see it turns on. See, I can control it now. So that's our options now. Bye.
Hi guys, that's it for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to Isaac's Toy World. That's his channel, so give him a thumbs up. Hope it helps. Hope it solved your problem with the Nintendo Switch with the Pro controllers, the wired ones at least. That's the ones we have, because they're cheaper. Because they're cheaper. Instead of spending $80 on the Joy-Cons, which I did the first time. Now I just buy them controllers, them Pro controllers, and it seems to work every time. So, alright, peace.